with you.
So I didn't do a video on Mother's Day, but I did film what I cooked for Mother's Day, right? So you'll be able to see this quick little snippet of what Mama Shra ate for Mother's Day. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. The main parts of the dish I then filmed when I cooked it. So if you like it, you can get it for yourself. Hope you enjoy this quick little snippet. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. So this is what Mama Shra had for Mother's Day, right? Delicious salad, potatoes, corn, steak, shrimp. Hey, watch my following videos. I'm going to show you how I did it. And hopefully you'll enjoy it too when you make it for yourself.